Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about fears related to video content creation. Some of you guys who want to create your content, you want to create a content for the first time, you're probably going to face some fears. We're going to talk about how to overcome those fears. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you already watched the video I made about how to find your niche, or how to find your video ideas and how to write a script. Now, before you start recording your content, let's talk about fears. Okay, so guys, everybody has that. I had that fears when I started my YouTube journey back in 2013, which is what, 12 years ago. Well, when I started, it was scary. Okay, just to be in front of the camera and start talking, it was scary. One of the fears is fear of criticism, because me, I have accent, so I was thinking about that. Oh, will people love my accent? What they're gonna think about me? Maybe they're not gonna like my video because of my accent, because of the way I look, stuff like that. Guys, nobody cares. Okay, nobody cares. Get over there and start creating content. Another fear is fear of perfectionism. I want to make sure everything is perfect, have a good camera, great light, all those stuff on great microphone before start creating content, because you trying to be perfect. No, just start creating. Your video gonna become, perfect, as you keep creating content. It's something that you learn over time. Okay, you're gonna make your video perfect every time. You're gonna make your video better every time you create a video. So that's how you you do it. Okay, so me personally, I start improving every time. I want to make sure my next video is better than my previous one. Try different stuff every time I make a video. Okay, that's how you do it. Forget about perfectionism. It's not gonna happen overnight. You're just gonna learn as you go. Another fear is fear of content ideas. People like, okay, now I want to create content. Where will I find the ideas I'm going to create content about? That's what I made the video. One of my video I made is about how to find your content ideas. You go to YouTube, search for content ideas in your niche and all those stuff. Go watch that video. Okay, that's how you do that. And nowadays we have ChatGPT, we have AI, DeepSeek, Google, Gemini. Those platforms can help you come up with good, video ideas. So don't worry about those stuff. So if you keep thinking about those stuff, you will never create a content. You will miss out on, maybe you have something in you. God put something in you to share with the other people. You will never do that. Okay, and I don't want you to think too much about that. Just start. One tip I'm gonna share with you is to do the script. Like my previous video, I show you how you can go and come up with a script, or write a script for your video. You can write a script, or you can write like a video outline. Stuff like that will help you ease the tension of fears. Then you know exactly what you're gonna talk about when you start creating content. Another thing is focus on progress, not perfection. Okay, your first, second, or third, and 5 video is not gonna be that good, but I'm sure your 20th or 50th video is gonna be way better compared to the first video that you made. That's how it works. Another thing also is to join a community of creators. That way you see what they're doing, you share ideas, you ask a question, watch video like this, and go to YouTube or any content creation channel, become a subscriber so you can ask a question in the comment section. Okay, that you can help you overcome those fears and start creating content. Another thing is, if you want to start creating content, don't just create content like this where you're in front of the camera. There are different ways you can create content. You can use vlogs style, you can do faceless without showing your face, or you can do screen recording. There are different ways to create content. I'm going to go over all those on this channel, where I show you different ways you can create content. Like I say, talking head like this, on faceless, stuff like that. You can start on doing that. Once you are comfortable, then you can start recording yourself when you record yourself, you don't even have to publish it right away. You just keep it private, watch it. If you something like confident about, just publish it. Or sometimes you just publish it and see what the world gonna say, what the viewers gonna say. Sometimes they might like the video that you think is not a good video. So just create and publish. That's how you're gonna overcome fears. If you create, you don't publish it, no, the fear is gonna stay there. You create and publish it, you know that nobody cares. People will like it, people will dislike it. People will come, in a comment, and leave a negative comment. That's another thing too. People don't want to create content because they fear haters. Haters will come. They will come and put bad comment. But it's not the goal. The goal is to focus on who you are helping. There are people who will come in a comment, love the video, say great things, good and positive things about the video. That's what you need to focus on. Don't focus on the negative stuff. Sometimes you can use the negative comment to see from whatever the person is talking about is right, or maybe the person is talking about the way you talk in the video. Just adjust that. Use that. Turn that negative comment in something positive. Those are the stuff you do to overcome the fears. Another fear people have is nobody will watch my video when I start publishing. Of course, when you start creating content, nobody will watch the video till 1, 2, 3, 4 people will start watching it. At the beginning, nobody will watch it. Maybe just your family members will watch it. Your parents, your sisters, your brothers, your husband, or your wife will watch your video. Eventually, people are going to discover your video later on, but it's not going to happen right away. All you have to focus on is to start creating content. Start creating good content every time. Content that will give value, like this one. I'm talking about how to overcome fears. Some of you guys are there right now who want to create content and thinking about all those stuff, but I'm here to tell you, I have accent. My English is not perfect, because I wasn't born speaking English. I was born speaking French and also African dialect. Okay, that's what I'm good at. I learned English. But, if I want to keep thinking about that, I will never make content. Okay? So that's what I'm telling you. If I can do it, you can do it. Just overcome those fears. People eventually will find your video. Like this channel, this is a channel where I don't really post regularly. Now I try to post at least once a week. The view gonna come. Those views, if you go to this channel, you will see a view like 30 views and 10 views and some of like 300 views. But my main channel, I have videos like over 100,000 views and stuff like that. But it didn't happen in 2 days. No, I have that main channel. I started publishing there since 2016. Even though I created a channel in 2013, I posted like 3 videos, and I remember those videos where I just do like a screen recording. I did a screen recording. That's how I published on that video. I didn't show my face, but like I said, it's kind of daunting to put yourself out there for people to see your face because of fear of criticism. That's what it is. But like I said, you're gonna overcome that once you start posting content regularly. So guys, if you really wanna create content, you have something you wanna share with the world, go in and create content. Don't think too much about it. Forget about fears. Everybody has fears when they started, but once you start creating content, all those fears will go away. Thanks for watching.